Imagine waking up one day and realizing your job no longer exists. Not because your company failed, not because of a recession, but because artificial intelligence replaced it. Self-driving trucks replacing drivers. AI customer service replacing call centers. AI accountants replacing entry-level finance jobs. AI writing software replacing content creators. This is not science fiction anymore. Major companies are already replacing thousands of workers with AI systems that are faster, cheaper, and available 24 hours a day. And according to economists, the next decade could see millions of jobs disrupted or completely eliminated. Now, here is the real question. If AI disrupts the job market, how do you protect your income? Because relying on one paycheck in an AI-driven economy could become extremely risky. That is why smart investors are focusing on income-producing assets and recession-resistant sectors. And in today's video, we will talk about 4 powerful ETFs that could help protect your wealth before AI reshapes the job market. These ETFs include VNQ Real Estate Income, BITE, Food and Agriculture Exposure, QQQ Technology and AI Growth, VPU Utilities and Essential Infrastructure. Together, these 4 ETFs create a portfolio designed to survive technological disruption. By the end of this video, you will understand why AI could disrupt millions of jobs, why passive income may become more important than ever, how these 4 ETFs work, the strengths and risks of each ETF, and how to build a simple portfolio using these ETFs. But before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy long-form investing content. Now let's start with the big question. Is AI about to crash the job market? Artificial intelligence is improving faster than most people realize. In the past, automation mainly replaced physical labor jobs. Factories automated assembly lines. Machines replaced warehouse workers. Robots replaced manufacturing employees. But AI is different. AI is replacing thinking jobs, jobs that require writing, research, decision-making, customer interaction, coding, and that is why economists are concerned. Recent studies estimate that up to 40% of global jobs could be affected by AI automation. White-collar jobs once considered safe may now be at risk. Accountants, lawyers, financial analysts, customer service representatives, programmers, many entry-level roles may disappear completely. Companies will still hire people, but they may need fewer employees to do the same amount of work. One AI system can do the work of several people. This trend is already happening. Major companies are investing billions into artificial intelligence systems that reduce labor costs. For investors, this creates both opportunity and risk. Technology companies could grow tremendously, but job instability could increase, which means relying solely on employment income may become risky. That is why building investment income is becoming more important. Dividends, rental income, infrastructure revenue, essential services. These are the kinds of income streams that continue even during economic disruption. And that leads us to the first ETF on this list. ETF number 1, VNQ, Real Estate Income. VNQ is one of the most popular real estate ETFs in the world. It is called the Vanguard Real Estate ETF, and it invests in REITs, which stands for Real Estate Investment Trusts. These companies own income-producing properties such as apartments, office buildings, warehouses, data centers, shopping centers, hospitals. Real estate is one of the oldest and most reliable wealth-building assets. Even in a world dominated by AI, people still need places to live. Companies still need warehouses, hospitals still operate, data centers power the internet, and REITs collect rent from these properties. That rent becomes dividend income for investors. VNQ currently holds over 150 real estate companies, making it extremely diversified. Some of the largest holdings include Prologis Industrial Warehouses, American Tower, Communication Towers, Equinix Data Centers, Public Storage facilities. These types of real estate businesses are deeply integrated into the global economy. Even if the job market changes, the demand for infrastructure and property will likely remain strong. Another advantage of VNQ is dividend income. Real estate investment trusts must distribute most of their profits to shareholders. That means VNQ typically provides higher dividend yields than the average stock ETF. For investors concerned about job stability, that income can become extremely valuable. However, VNQ also has risks. Real estate is sensitive to interest rates. When interest rates rise, property financing becomes more expensive. That can pressure real estate prices. But over the long term, real estate has historically been a powerful wealth builder. And in an AI-driven economy, owning physical assets could become even more important. ETF number 2, BITE, Food and Agriculture. If AI disrupts jobs, one thing will never disappear. People still need to eat. Food demand is one of the most stable forces in the global economy. That is why agriculture investments have historically been very resilient. The BITE ETF focuses on companies connected to food production and supply chains. This includes businesses involved in food processing, agricultural products, food distribution restaurants, consumer staples. Even during recessions, food spending remains relatively stable. People may reduce luxury purchases, but groceries are essential. Agriculture also benefits from long-term global trends. The world population continues to grow. More people means more food demand. At the same time, farmland is limited. This supply-demand imbalance can support food-related businesses. Another advantage of food-related investments is pricing power. When food prices rise due to inflation, many agricultural companies can pass those costs to consumers. This helps protect their profit margins. For investors worried about job disruption, the food industry offers something valuable: stability. People might cancel streaming services. They might delay buying a car. But they still buy food every week. That makes agriculture and food supply chains one of the most resilient sectors in the world. ETF number 3, QQQ Technology and AI Growth. If AI is transforming the world, investors may want exposure to the companies leading that transformation, and that is exactly what the QQQ ETF provides. QQQ tracks the NASDAQ 100 index, which contains many of the largest technology companies in the world. These companies include Apple, Microsoft, NVIDIA, Amazon, Alphabet, Meta. These are the companies investing billions into artificial intelligence. They are building AI chips, cloud infrastructure, machine learning platforms, autonomous systems, generative AI tools. If AI continues to grow rapidly, these companies could benefit tremendously. In fact, the technology sector has been one of the best-performing sectors over the last 20 years. QQQ has delivered extraordinary long-term returns. But QQQ is different from the other ETFs on this list. VNQ and VPU provide stability and income. QQQ provides growth. Technology companies often reinvest profits into research and development instead of paying high dividends. But that reinvestment can drive massive long-term growth. AI may disrupt many industries, but the companies building AI systems may capture enormous value. That is why many investors include QQQ as the growth engine of their portfolio. However, technology stocks can also be volatile. When interest rates rise or economic uncertainty increases, tech stocks can decline sharply. So diversification is important. That brings us to the 4th ETF. ETF number 4, VPU Utilities Stability. Utilities are one of the most defensive sectors in the stock market. The Vanguard Utilities ETF, known as VPU, invests in companies that provide essential services such as electricity, water, natural gas. These services are critical to modern society. No matter what happens in the economy, people still need electricity and water. Even during recessions, utility companies continue generating revenue. Another important factor is that utilities often pay reliable dividends. Many utility companies have decades of dividend history. This makes them attractive to income-focused investors. Utilities also benefit from long-term trends, such as electric vehicle adoption, renewable energy expansion, electric grid modernization, AI data center electricity demand. In fact, AI itself may increase electricity consumption dramatically. Large AI data centers require enormous amounts of power. This could increase demand for electricity infrastructure. and that may benefit utility companies over time. Because of their stability and dividends, utility ETFs like VPU are often considered defensive investments. When markets become volatile, investors often move money into defensive sectors. That makes utilities an important balancing component in a diversified portfolio. Combining these 4 ETFs into a portfolio. Now let's look at how these 4 ETFs can work together. Each ETF serves a different purpose. QQQ provides growth through technology and AI innovation. VNQ provides income through real estate. VPU provides defensive stability through essential utilities. REIT provides exposure to food and agriculture. Together, these sectors cover critical parts of the economy: technology, real estate, energy infrastructure, food supply. These are industries that will likely remain important even in a rapidly changing world. A simple example portfolio might look like this: 30% QQQ, growth, 25% VNQ, real estate income, 25% VPU, defensive stability, 20% REIT, food sector exposure. This type of allocation balances growth with stability and income. Of course, every investor must choose a strategy that matches their own goals and risk tolerance. Risks. Investors must understand. Even strong ETFs have risks. Real estate can struggle when interest rates rise. Technology stocks can experience sharp corrections. Food companies can be affected by commodity price volatility. Utilities can face regulatory changes. Diversification helps reduce risk, but it cannot eliminate it completely. That is why investors should always take a long-term perspective. Short-term market fluctuations are normal, but historically, diversified portfolios have rewarded patient investors. Why passive income may matter more. In the AI era, one of the biggest lessons investors are learning today is this: income from investments can provide financial security. If technology disrupts employment, passive income becomes extremely valuable. Dividends from ETFs, rental income from real estate, infrastructure revenue. These income streams can continue even if job markets change. The goal is not to replace work completely. The goal is to reduce dependence on a single paycheck. And ETFs make it easier than ever to build diversified portfolios. Instead of buying individual stocks, investors can own entire sectors of the economy. That diversification can reduce risk and simplify investing. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is transforming the world faster than many people expected. It will create new opportunities, but it may also disrupt millions of jobs. Preparing financially for that future may be one of the smartest decisions investors can make today. And 4 ETFs that may help investors prepare include VNQ for real estate income, REIT for food and agriculture stability, QQQ for technology and AI growth, VPU for utilities and defensive dividends. Together, these ETFs create a portfolio that touches essential parts of the global economy: technology, infrastructure, food supply, real estate. Industries that are likely to remain critical even as artificial intelligence reshapes the job market. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always conduct your own research and consider consulting with a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing.